Right, this is my 2011 Golf 1.6 TDI and the paint has seen some better days. So we're going to try some of this Turtle Wax ceramic spray and see if it makes it shine. Let's do it.
Now, I've given the car a really good clean. This is an old car, so the paint isn't that great anyway, but if you want, you can use a clay bar as well to make this look extra good.
The reason I bought this is because apparently it's super simple to use and really good. You can spray it onto the panel directly, or what I'm going to do is spray it on a microfiber cloth and then wipe it on. Once you've wiped it on, you've got even coverage. You then wipe it off with another clean microfiber cloth and you're done. It's that easy, apparently. Let's see if it works. So it does say 2 sprays per panel. So I'm gonna say this is roughly a panel because obviously the bonnet's way bigger than everything else. 2 sprays, start wiping it on. Oh wow, actually, I think that is actually working. That's interesting. Make sure you've got good coverage all over and then wipe it off. Now, apparently this stuff can cause a bit of streaking if you put too much on and then forget to wipe it off. So I'm just being as diligent as I can, but this car has done 220,000 miles, so it's not really the end of the world if it's not perfect. Do you know what? I think it's done it. Right, it's a super simple test, but that is my reflection with it. That's my reflection without it. Definitely shinier with it. Like you can see my reflection there. Whereas there you can't see it as well. Good so far. Let's try another panel. Now I have cleaned these panels. It also suggests using a clay bar to get off any contaminants. 220,000 mile car, not that fast. So I just want to see if this stuff works. So I'm just going to spray it onto the panel this time. Let's see what it does. 2 sprays. Yeah, quite a lot comes out to be fair. And then just work it into the panel.
Wax on, wax off.
You really want to make sure you're putting this on evenly, so go over the panel a few times with the cloth.
And then wipe it off. Wax on, wax off.
Same for wiping it off to eliminate any streaking.
It definitely is working a bit. It does look a lot more shiny. Let's have a look at a before and after comparison.
It is hard to tell without a reflection, but before definitely looks duller and after does look shinier, so this stuff does work.
Can apply a second coat for up to 12 months of protection. So hopefully this panel at least is going to be nicely protected, nice and shiny. It looks pretty good. I can almost see my face in the reflection. This panel, which it hasn't got, and this panel, which it has got. Definitely a bit better. You can see my pasty legs, I think. It's not perfect. It's not giving me that deep shine that a proper ceramic coating would. This isn't full ceramic coating. This is just a ceramic spray, which doesn't have as much ceramic in it. I'm not sure. The one that you really need to get that super deep glossy shine is the one with the little sponge applicator. You just do a little bit at a time. This is a bit of a cheat spray. This is just a quick detail just to make stuff look a bit nicer, but I'm happy with it. The ease of application, the speed of doing it, the convenience, this is definitely going to stay in my toolbox. It's not as super shiny as I had hoped, but it's still very shiny. So I'll probably give it a 7 out of 10. I think that's fair. Easy to apply, convenient, quick, does the job good. I hope you found this useful. Just a really quick one, just to show what it's like and hopefully help you decide if you need to buy it or not. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.